This house doesn't change material, it changes function. Everything here is made from the same concrete block, but even so, each part works in a different way. This is the Capuchinas House, designed by LABarq in Mexico. Its design started with a very clear decision: use a single material for everything. Walls, facades, light filters. Everything comes from the same block. But this is not a typical block. It was designed specifically for this house, with a stacking system that eliminates vertical joints. This creates a continuous surface, almost as if the house had been molded as one piece, rather than assembled element by element. On the facade, this same block transforms. It stops being a wall and becomes a filter, a kind of skin that controls light, wind, and privacy. At the same time, it supports the terrace above the garage, so it's not just aesthetic, it's structure and function at the same time. The house is located in a very typical residential neighborhood, where most houses follow the same pattern. And that's exactly why it stands out, not because of its form, but because of how it is built. In the Capuchinas House, the sensory potential of the concrete block is pushed to the limit. It's not just visual, it's texture, light, shadow, depth. As you enter, the organization is simple. Everything happens in sequence. The house is linear, an axis that starts in the social area and moves toward the more private spaces. The main living area connects directly to the terrace and the garden. Another important point is the structure. A volume projects outward, creating a cantilever and forming a double height space inside. This expands the main area and improves ventilation. The project's focal point is a sand-colored concrete block measuring 4 centimeters by 30 centimeters by 15 centimeters. Its unique proportions and tongue and groove system define both the structure and the finish. On the upper level, the logic shifts slightly. The other bedrooms are located there, facing the garden. This allows the house to work in different ways over time. It can function mostly on the ground floor or expand to the upper level. The house does not open at once. It's organized in sequence: courtyard, interior space, courtyard again. This creates rhythm and ensures the house is never fully open nor fully closed. Further back, the house becomes more protected. The private areas appear, including the main suite, which does not fully open. It uses the block itself as a filter. It lets light in, controls views, and still maintains a connection with the exterior. The site also influenced the design. Instead of leveling everything, the house adapts. It follows the topography and avoids major earth movement. This reduces impact and maintains a connection with the place. In the end, this house is simple to understand. It uses a single material but explores it to the maximum. Wall, filter, structure, all at the same time. And it shows that you don't need to change form to create a completely different house.